If you've noticed pee spots or droppings on your property from dogs or cats in the area, then check out Dog and Cat Stopper RTU Spray Repellent. This product is a non-toxic repellent made with natural ingredients and botanical oils that will work to stop domesticated, stray, and feral dogs and cats from invading lawns and gardens. This product works by smell, taste, and touch to create a sensory barrier and provide harmless, humane animal control. Dog and Cat Stopper RTU Spray Repellent is long-lasting, and one application will repel most dog and cat breeds from treated areas for up to 30 days. Dog and Cat Stopper RTU Spray Repellent is ready to use with no other application tools necessary. Before you apply Dog and Cat Stopper, identify the areas on your property that you want to protect. These areas typically include ornamental plant beds, fruit or vegetable plant beds, trees, and entire lawns. If you're currently dealing with unwanted dogs or cats on your property, look for signs of activity including pee spots created by urination or animal droppings. To minimize direct contact with the product, put on your personal protective equipment or PPE. We recommend you wear gloves, a long-sleeve shirt, long pants, closed-toe shoes, a facial covering, and protective eyewear. Shake the bottle thoroughly, then set the adjustable nozzle from off to spray. Apply a fine mist to the areas you wish to treat and get an even coating. Take care not to over-apply. Apply Dog and Cat Stopper RTU Spray Repellent liberally to entry points or around areas that need protection. If protecting plants or crops grown for consumption, apply this product as a perimeter application. Do not apply this product directly to plants, as possible burning may occur. Allow 20 minutes for the product to dry and reapply this product as needed every 30 days. Use Dog and Cat Stopper to prevent most domesticated, stray, or feral dogs and cats from invading residential or commercial properties and train them on which areas to keep out of. This product is an effective solution for preventing foraging, bedding, entry, and droppings damage from most breeds of dogs and cats. You may apply Dog and Cat Stopper as a perimeter application around homes and buildings and around gardens and flower beds. Do not apply directly over plants grown for consumption, but you may apply this product around dormant fruit and nut trees. Use Dog and Cat Stopper when domesticated, stray, or feral dogs and cats have been noticed around your property, or when signs of their activities, such as digging or urination, have been observed. Dog and Cat Stopper RTU Spray Repellent is safe to use and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper PPE when handling any pest control product.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.